And from the looks of it, it's the power supply that's messed up. This little fuse thing looks like it's burnt. It could be from age, but since I wasn't able to turn it on, I'm guessing this is the culprit. We got this transformer here with some more wires. Probably if you bust this open, you get some copper out of it. Not sure it's worth the time to do it. A few more screws here, which should give us access to the motherboard. And I won't do it in this video, but when I first opened this up in the last video, the motherboard had this metal plate, and I had to desolder everything. I'm definitely not going to desolder it again, but that video works, and I'll be uploading it as a part 2. And again, we have more cables here. Nothing too spectacular. I see there might be, this also might be an issue. This cable here, I don't know, it looks weird to me. Looks like it's I'm not sure what to call this, but it's kind of coming apart. I don't know if that affects anything, but that could also be a reason why this thing's not working. So overall, compared to new consoles, is pretty basic thing. This is pretty much low grade. Even the motherboard, I opened it up, it's pretty low grade. The only gold I'm pretty sure is on this motherboard. It's where the game goes. These all have gold pins in here. When I did open the motherboard, I saw some IC chips. With this old school stuff, I'm not really sure there is any gold in there, but you never. I'm not an expert. There's also a nice little switch here. Let's take this out. Pretty much, yeah, there you go. So you have a simple switch. I know switches usually, or possibly might have silver in them. Probably not a lot. But as in my first video, I mentioned that if you have one of these in this type of condition, I would say sell it as broken, because you'll get $10 for it broken. The scrap value, I would really be surprised if it's more than $1. So really